wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best battle ropes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Fitness Solutions Poly DAC features a 3-strand construction that enables you to use it for a variety of purposes, including climbing and tug of war. It would make a great addition to any physical education department. It comes with military-grade heat-shrunk caps and an instructional DVD. However, it is prone to unraveling. At number 9, with a water-resistant design that was initially intended for use in shipyards, the Bonlow Strength Training is a durable offering that's sheathed in a nylon sleeve. It comes in 6 sizes with weights ranging from 20 to 54 pounds. All of them have 7-inch grips and come with a helpful instruction manual, but note that the sleeve can't be removed. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Titan Heavy is available in a couple of length and width options and is made of durable polydacron. It's resistant to fraying and easy to tie, so you can put knots in it for tug of war or to make footholds for climbing. It's equipped with comfortable grips and also works as a tow strap for sleds. However, the handles can be slippery when you're sweaty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for battle ropes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, with 1.5 and 2-inch thicknesses available in lengths from 30 to 100 feet, the RopeFit Polydacron offers a total of 10 models. It features a weather-resistant design, making it suitable for outdoor workouts in the backyard. It won't damage gym mats and is handmade in the United States. But the extra long sizes are a bit expensive. Moving up our list to number 6. The Parental Poly is available in 30, 40 and 50 foot lengths. Its rubber-sleeved PVC handles are almost 9 inches long, and it comes with a handy bag with a drawstring that you can use to pack a water bottle and sweat towel for workouts in the park. It's equipped with a high-strength nylon sheath and includes a mounting anchor. However, it's only available in a 2-inch diameter. Halfway up our list at number 5, although the nominal 2-inch version of the Amazon Basics Exercise Training actually has a 1.9-inch diameter, this doesn't have a massive impact on its weight, as the 50-foot model comes in respectably at 46 pounds. This is a budget-friendly option with a 1-year limited warranty. It's a polyester blend construction. At number 4, the Garage Fit Single Anchor boasts a heavy-duty polyester blend construction. Available in black, blue or yellow, it comes with a carabiner and 2 anchor straps, so you can avoid wrapping it around abrasive pillars and posts. It includes a 1-year warranty, 10-inch long handles and a 20-inch protective sleeve. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Power Guidance Nylon comes with an anchor bracket and all the necessary mounting hardware, so you can set up your workout station where it's most convenient, not just wherever you happen to find a pole to wrap around. The covering prevents damage and it's got 7.5-inch vinyl grips. It's available in 3 sizes from 18 to 30 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for battle ropes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Fire Breather Kit is typically a 1.5-inch offering, but its 40-foot model is also available in a 2-inch width. This option comes with everything you need to implement your new workout regimen, including a 2x3-foot exercise poster. It includes a short protective nylon sleeve, a money-back guarantee, anchor straps, and a carabiner. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Profect Sports Kit sets itself apart from much of the competition with its 2.5-inch handles for athletes who are serious about grip strength. And if your forearms aren't ready for that yet, standard 1.5 and 2-inch models are also available. This is a fully sleeved option that's discounted if you buy 2. It comes with a pair of heavy-duty anchor straps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for battle ropes, or simply click beneath this video.